this is Crystal. First of all, I want to thank you guys for supporting all my restaurant review videos, and I'll continue working on them. However, with COVID, it's still a bit hard to travel and dine in restaurants. So I wanted to take this chance and transform this channel into a mix of everything. So in the future, I will post something like lifestyle vlogs and cooking vlogs, and of course more restaurant reviews when everything starts to open up a little bit. Today I want to share with you guys something very exciting. I moved back to Toronto not long ago and into this new apartment. So I wanted to take you guys through the process of decorating it since it's not furnished at all. So come with me to my apartment tour. This is the entrance. I love the walnut color. It resonates so well with the floor. And then when you enter, the first room on the right is my bathroom. Ooh, so bright in here. I love how the floor and the shower, they're both marble. Feels like I'm in a hotel. And I have a huge mirror. Hi! And they're all storages. So that's freaking awesome. So that's a sink, toilet, also more storage unit, and then I have in-suite laundry, which is very, very nice. When we go out of the bathroom, it's a front door, and that's my entryway. I'm thinking of putting a console table right here for coffees and stuff. And this is my coat room. I wouldn't say it's huge, but I think it's sufficient enough for my coat and shoes. And then it's my kitchen. It's my favorite part of this apartment. I love how modern it is. I wouldn't say I have a huge countertop space, but then for condos in Toronto, it's more or less like this. I love the marble backslash and all the storage space I have. So I'll take you guys to a little tour. This is the microwave, oven, dishwasher, and that's my fridge and freezer. And all of these are storage unit. So then we come to my bedroom. I already have a queen size bed in it, so you more or less have an idea of how big this bedroom is. I love the floor to ceiling window, just adds so much light to this room. And when I turn around, we have a huge closet, so I do have a lot of space in this apartment. So this is the living room. My sofa is not here, but it will go here. As I said, it takes 3-4 months to have all the furniture shipped. Everything's out of stock right now, so yeah. And then here will be the TV situation. Right now is my standing desk. I don't have the top yet. Again, nothing is in stock, so I'll just have to wait until everything is done. But that's how the living room looks like. It's a decent size, so I really love it. Then we'll go out to my patio. It's a beautiful day as well. So yeah, that's my empty apartment tour. I hope you guys liked it. A lot of furnitures are slowly coming. Because of pandemic, it takes even longer to have everything shipped. But if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to watch more videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! My old lovers falling
onto my covers, where they sink one by one.